Well, South Africa has recorded 315 new COVID-19 related fatalities, bringing the death toll to 7,812. And this while the number of infections has increased to 482,169 after 11,046 new infections were recorded in the country. Now, the national death toll is fast approaching the 8,000 mark. The Eastern Cape has recorded the highest number of fatalities at 121, followed by Gauteng with 96, KwaZulu-Natal 55, the Western Cape 34 and the Northwest Province 9. The Western Cape has surpassed the 3,000 total fatalities mark and now stands at 3,017, while Gauteng approaches the 2,000 mark, recording a total of 1,932 deaths. Meanwhile, the recovery rate now stands at 64%.